switch to
Shit, my fucking thing and my service isn't down. The chats are going down. You guys there? Smash, is the door open? Your door's open?
Yeah, fuck. My bad, I didn't even open the door. Crap, the table, I guess what you did it. That was scary.
That is kind of true. That band of storms have been training there for the last hour or so.
Hey, can you guys hear me? I think I have you back. Can you hear me now?
Be aware of your surroundings. You're under a flood warning.
Copy that. And I'm still on the correct road, right?
You are, yes.
Well, I got full bars now. And it's raining as ass on.
We've driven in a lot of rain tonight.
All these fucking big ass trucks.
Yeah, well, there you do stay clear of Lake of the Ozarks. They're under flash flood warning.
Once I get out of where we're chasing, what's around that area?
Once you get farther down that road, it's a 1 hour rainfall rate. Just before you come into Butler, there's an area that's over you have about almost 2 inches of rain.
Oh, that's impressive, okay. So they're gonna get a lot of rain. Lightning rain.
Like 5+ inches. Document flood?
Correct. That's big. And how much rain? You said 2 inches? And how little of a period?
It's dropped almost 2 inches of rain in the last hour. And it's been raining there for several hours.
Hey, when you spent that for public, did it say
1.5 to 3 inches of rain have fallen.
When you said that for public, did it say all my other future buys for
Yeah,
public?
the 1.5 is the last hour, I think, for whatever reason.
Yeah, I believe so.
The rainfall,
I believe so.
like storm clouds and
That's like
stuff like that, is not working. I should get the 1 hour, but I can't get the other stuff. States and Cass counties in Missouri are under a flood warning.
Are you guys on the Facebook Live? Is it public? I had to restart it. Is it still on public? sent me, Cody, but I can't look at it. I have no idea what you sent me.
I didn't send you anything. I posted your live stream.
Oh, okay. I keep going straight down this road, right?
Roger, just keep going straight. Follow it where it takes you. You'll be going all the way to the end of it.
Copy that. Man, it's running this ass off. Unplug it, but do inside for that for a minute.
Try that again.
Don't unplug it. Don't make sure it doesn't unplug.
Okay, it's got it.
As an indicator, keep checking every now and then.
What?
Keep checking with them. Stop one.
Got one.
Stop one. Keep checking with them.
Are we still on the same? Are we on the correct path? Over.
You are on the correct path.
Alright. Can't see anything.
Yeah, visibility is very, very low. It is pouring rain.
Flashers are initiated. Flashers are
Roger that, you're in the core of that band now.
Alright, hit it again.
What?
Hit it and say flashers. Hit it.
Flashers are initiated. It is, he's got both hands on the wheel. We don't do that.
Visibility is really, you can't see much.
Just be warned, up ahead of you, little ways is radar indicating 3/4 inch hail.
You said radar indicated 3/4 inch hail.
Yes, and it's about, I'd say about 2 miles ahead of you right now. Looks like the road will take you away from it, but I mean, you're still pretty close. It'll get you within about a mile of it.
So just to confirm, just because the rain's kind of heavy, we will hit the hail core in about a mile.
I can't see the size of the core, but the road ahead of you turns to the north a little bit, so it should take you away from it once you get to that point.
Copy, thank you.
Well, I just think you might want to know it's right there, pretty much beside you.
Copy that. Say copy that.
Copy that, thank you. mind it, don't get me wrong, but
Yeah, latest scan it hopped just a little bit to the south, so that heavy precip should drop off fairly quickly for a little bit anyway.
yeah, precipitation subsided substantially actually. But yeah, good to know. Thank you.
It's not ready to run. I got it now. Sorry.
No, you're fine. Oh, it was pouring for a second.
Alright, I'm back now. It's not pouring that much. Whoa, road flooded. Hold on, road flooded. We got flooded roads. Road flooded. Alright, on the opposite side of the road. We're going to the other side now. That road was completely flooded on the right.
Yeah, be careful in low spots. You're coming up to that area that had that 2 inches in an hour.
Like I said, you're under a flood warning right now.
Copy that, affirmative.
Ron's terrified.
Ryan
I
said
hate
he's
floodwater.
terrified.
Floodwater scares me. You're not scared of floodwater?
No?
Well, I can hear it now. I am never going on a chase with you again.
Not on the fucking flood chase. I'll go with tornadoes, but not on the flood chases.
I'm sorry, I'm crazy. I'm sorry, I'm crazy. Not really. I love where I am. I love what I became. I'm not going to change it for nothing. That's why any woman that gets with me has to deal with my bullshit.
Well, you got my life.
But I'm not gonna hurt nobody, and Ron is definitely scared shitless.
Where's the old shit bars when you need them?
This grass.
He's already been grabbing it.
Grass. Oh, grass. They don't have enough of them. They don't have enough of them
Yeah, I
in
miss the
here.
old shit handles.
Where's that hail bird that's still showing that it's gonna miss 2 hours south?
Yeah, actually that hail core has disappeared. New one has popped up south of Butler. I don't think you'll have to worry about that one either.
No problem.
And from here on to the end of this road, you'll be hopping in and out of heavy precip. It'll be light for a little while, then it'll pick back up, then it'll go back to light, then it'll pick back up. Should do it twice. 1, 2, 3 times before you get to the end of the road.
Copy that. Thank you. Still got a great service. We have 4 bars right now, 4 bars of service, so we're doing good. Phone starts slowly, happening, the damn computer is on it. I'm ready to 6 right now. but it's crazy. It doesn't die. It doesn't have service.
It looks like there's a couple little cells just popping up north of Springfield.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah? More storms? Ah, I like storms.
I was waiting for that.
The lightning show is great.
Honestly, I'm surprised I'm still up.
Oh, me too. Fuck.
And that makes us too. Me and him are both saying the same thing already.
You working in it? Yeah.
Yeah. I worked all day today.
And I don't like that road you're on though. It's sketchy as fuck.
Oh.
You ain't telling me nothing I don't already know. Why do you think I'm trying to bear to the center of that road? If I put myself in the center of the road, I'm all good. Oh, buddy, water. All that water. You see all that water on the road, guys?
Dude.
Hold on. We got flooding across the road right here. That's water.
This is where I'm gonna fucking panic.
That's flooding.
Dude, I want off this fucking road. I don't know why we're on this road.
Oh, hey, Cody, you want to see something really cool? Switch to the Springfield radar, go to velocity mode, and throw in an animation. It looks like ocean waves passing over you.
Look at it.
I am not going to have enough service to do that. You should take a screenshot, send it, private message, or that. But I ain't going to have enough service to do that. I had to shut the computer down so I save service.
How much water you got on this road?
Yeah, it's just multiple waves and outflow boundaries just heading south. Neat looking.
You said in velocity mode, right?
Yes, you should be able to see the changing wind directions as it passes by with each wave.
I hate it when these big ass semis come next to me and I can't see a fucking thing. Like, why in the fuck is there so many goddamn semis on this road right now? Excuse me.
And I guess they don't believe in streetlights out there, do they?
Not on the road.
Not in Missouri.
What fucking street lights? I don't see a single fucking street light anywhere beside a fucking house light.
This is no Fallon.
Well, it is Bob's Road.
It might as well be fucking Bob's Road. They did make the movie out here somewhere, right? just so y'all know, I'm only running 50.
That was a beautiful strike.
I'm in it now. It's all around me. It's all around me. It's beautiful. Hey, you want to get that camera out and video some of this?
Yeah, the battery. It's not like one battery left.
Oh,
I don't even care about seeing a tornado right now. I mean, we shouldn't even try to chase any of those. Just the lightning itself and the rain and the flooding. I mean, that should do enough to send.
We're just going out.
most definitely. Amen on that. No, right here.
Yeah, of course, you know, AccuWeather will take any extreme weather videos.
These shots are absolutely amazing.
AccuWeather, I'm probably going to sign in on Monday with them so I didn't get a chance to today because everything's going on. But I did get an email back from them, $750 a month. That's not too bad. Good start. 750.
Clouds to your left look pretty gnarly.
Did you hear my last radio transmission?
$750 a month, yeah, that's not bad. That's rent for me.
That gets whoever's not doing radar and whoever's chasing. That's gonna get like people are gonna start making some money. Distributed between the teams. Only the active part of teams. Let's see. I don't know if I start teams there. If that's right. I don't know. Yeah, I can say that right here. I'm on the 5, so I'm not going to talk about a lot of it. But that's my fault.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of agree he's a good guy, but he needs to stop interfering with our communication, especially when we're out on the field, because all it takes is one move, and, you know.
What's your thoughts, John? What's your thoughts, Ron?
I don't know what. I don't understand.
I mean, I can see where he's coming from. He wants to jump in. He wants to help. And, I mean, I think if with a little training, he could be a great asset. Because he's got the enthusiasm. He wants to help. So, I mean, that's a good thing.
Did you just button in and like give him out one info or something?
One of these days, Mike and I, depending on where this guy lives, try to meet up with him or do a video chat and try to do a one-on-one.
I agree with that. We can train him. He's trainable. But right now, he can be part of the team. But when we're in the field, I would rather have just this part of the team. This part of the team is like the main part of the team. Because we are the main part of the team.
Yeah, it's a big commitment for 4 people to
I
send.
don't know. I think Ron, I think he's kind of scared right now. He's probably got a couple shit stains.
Fucking petrified. Petrified of flood water. I don't care.
He's been inducted.
Petrified of it. Petrified of flood water, man. I'm not a good swimmer.
I will drive in anything. I'll make this fucking boat.
So now you really just scared the shit out of him.
It's the kind of because it got the electric battery. Fuck.
Fuck trees. I climb buildings.
Is that a duck?
I was waiting on it. That was exactly what I was about to say. What?
Hey, welcome to the team. Here's your rubber ducky.
I want my rubber ducky. Whee! I'm gonna go take me a bath with my rubber ducky.
Ron, I'm sorry.
Billy Madison. That's a Billy Madison reference. There's a intersection of a highway. Do I go over this highway?
That will move you into the road, and you will turn north, and Butler will be just up the road.
Holy shit, lights.
So I pass over that intersection, correct? That bridge, I pass over that bridge and I stay on this road?
You should be turning north somewhere, right around there.
Highway?
Let me turn around, that's a highway. Let me turn around, that would be a highway. Highway. You see a 316? Yeah, I need to turn around.
Dude, you're out in the middle of BFE.
Bum. Yep.
Bumfucked Egypt.
Believe it or not, bro, just some guy in the corner of the driveway over there.
Hey, when you pull in somebody's driveway, you gotta yell, "Honey, I'm home." Well, back to the duck thing. I mean, if you were driving a Jeep, you'd have a dashboard full of rubber duckies.
What the fuck is the deal with all those rubber duckies anyways? That's interesting. I always wanted to know what the deal was with that. You know, this live feed at the very end, who cares? Oops. I'm not even gonna stop cussing now because that's just how this live feed is right this second.
Well, basically the duck and the Jeep thing.
You feel that?
Yeah. I'm just go that, we're off that road.
Some lady during COVID came up with a thing to kind of keep people's spirits up, and it was just Jeep people giving ducks to other Jeep people, and it kind of spread, and they just went crazy with it. And it's called like Duck Duck Jeep or something like that. I guess not too long ago the lady died and everybody freaked out about it, and now it's just running rampant.
Going down this road, I could just hear the theme from AC/DC Thunderstruck.
Hell yeah. And then, so that's how the dollar started started, alright. It's slippery out here.
Yeah, don't be going too fast. Slow it down a little.
Yeah, it's 15-4, I copy that, and, am I coming up to Butler? Am I at Butler?
So it should be just north of you.
Yeah, I'm heading north. That's the direction I'm heading. Over there. Yep, north. So that should be the town I'm looking at. Am I just gonna drive through this, or because I don't think they have a motel or anything there.
You go there and we talk.
Yeah, I'm not sure where the hotel is or anything like that. Hold on a second.
They have one motel there, but check-in's not until 2.
off the highway.
If it's out here, let's try talking to the front desk.
I guess we're gonna see if we can talk to the front desk. Are these storms coming at us still? Or are those storms already done?
That long road that you were just on, you pretty much drove through the entire line.
Oh, no shit.
In Hunts.
What is a beautiful line of storms then? He's gonna run into Dave's Inn and see if they have availability. Well, that was a fun night, guys. What do you think?
Oh, hell yeah, man, I had a blast.
They got it free.
Think you need to stop by Walmart and buy Ron some new underwear.
Wow.
Or you had some, no, I'm gonna be nice. Never mind, Mike.
He stopped in mid-grab on the fucking door at Days Inn and looked back at the truck like, what the fuck did they just say?
I know you were going to say something about adult diapers.
I was going to say something about G-string. What are you talking about?
Hell fucking no.
The packet depends in the back of the truck.
His life depends on it.
He's gonna watch his life being mine and go, you motherfuckers.
You know, they got the new sexy G-string depends.
Oh, why are we talking about Depends?
Should have brought some dude wipes.
Why are we talking about depends? Well, I mean, you scare the shit out of people, dude. You gotta protect your truck.
Dude, I would have been fucking hanging out of the window, screaming and hollering.
I am sorry I live my life on the edge, but I have driven through some fucking crazy weather today.
Now, you guys have seen the movie Into the Storm, right?
Fuck yeah.
You know what I'm thinking, the two dudes.
Hell yeah.
I watched that and I was like, hey, I'd be doing crap like that.
All day, every day. I have chased Hurricane Michael when I did that. No?
Yeah. Give him my card and
I'll give you
Hey,
cash.
I love storms. I can't complain. I really wish I could go tomorrow. I know Monday and Tuesday I really want to go. I don't think I can make it all the way up to North Dakota.
that is a fucking call.
Days Inn has a room. Days Inn has a room, and we're going to get a room, so that's perfect.
When you go in there, see what they can do. Let them know that I work through Darden Longhorn Steakhouse.
So what should I say?
You said let them know you work through Darden Longhorn Steakhouse?
I'll just go fuck this one.
Okay.
It's 104. So
Okay. He's just going to do it without doing all that. That way we just get the room. The guys behind the counter might not understand that you don't speak good English.
Welcome to 7-Eleven. Would you like a Slurpee?
Thank you for choosing the 7-Eleven. How do I help you today?
Your total is 1911.
I can't do it no more. You guys crack me up, man. I'm not awake enough for this.
Oh, did you unplug it and plug it back in?
Clap on, clap off. Just like plug it in, plug it in. Are you cutting in and out, or is that my phone cutting in and out?
Probably your phone.
Hey, I hear you better now. Okay, I had to move my phone up higher.
You need to try to go back in that footage when you were in, what was it, Waynesville? See what exactly was going on.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do when I get into the motel room. Right now I'm videoing, you can see the camera. Repeat that if you can. That was cutting out pretty bad.
I go back to Edgertonville, see the act was going on.
Copy that. Yeah, definitely gonna have to look back at that.
Yeah, you said something about a funnel, and you were pointing it right out there, and I saw something there, and it kind of looked funnel shaped. But still, it was kind of dark.
Oh, that was a confirmed funnel. I guarantee that was a funnel. That thing was fucking spinning. It was spinning like a top, dude. I mean, it was spinning like a top.
We got lucky.
Why?
We got room.
Where's it at?
I mean, if it did touch down, I'd rank it as a EF1. Probably.
I mean, it got pretty nasty right after we seen that. I wouldn't be surprised if that touched down back there.
Oh, I thought you were looking at a fucking picture. My bad.
No. I had to hold it up like this. It's not getting good service. But that storm, when we were in that parking lot, before it got crazy, that thing was like, I would say, I mean, it was spinning. It was up there.
That was right above us.
Yeah, that was right above us.
And then you know what was wild, Mike, is that it got kind of quiet and still for a second.
Yeah, like, me and Ron were talking, it got quiet, and still, as that thing was right above us. It was just like, there was nothing happening. And then it just freaking went haywire. It was awesome.
We can't just get a low precipitation fucking supercell, you know, the ones that they see in the magazines and TV.
You could find that footage, and if it shows a funnel, maybe you can show it to the National Weather Service.
Let's run it again, is what I'm saying. What is it?
His card declined.
Can you run it again? What's the amount? Oh, see, I have one on six.
Oh, hold on. You need more money? You need cash?
No, I just didn't transfer enough over it. Oh, I got it. It's 108, I put 10. I just will transfer all my money out of an account. I'll tell you.
Okay. Oh, he almost, didn't have enough money. The guy come back out, said it declined. It declined. And I'm like, what? You need more money?
Oh, do you want me to run it again?
I run it again for $10.99 additional charge.
Might want to check and see if there's a skimmer on the fucking card reader. I don't trust some son of bitches.
I'm not in there fucking paying for it. It ain't on my damn card. I mean, yeah, hopefully there's not. Hopefully he's smart enough to tell. But, it ain't on my damn card. I offered to pay for some of them. He goes, it's good. Are we good?
Oh yeah.
Out.
I transfer all my money
please.
from my money management to my bank account. I just don't have it all sitting. Yeah.
Oh, he had to transfer more money. He didn't have all of it in there.
Fucking $2 short.
$2 out of it, and he didn't have it in there for $2. But he got it now. We're good now? We're good now, Ron?
Yeah, all good. Yeah, went through
All
everything.
right. I'm going to go up there, and I'm going to start going through this footage. Do I have a card too, or
Huh?
do I have a card too?
No, I don't want to be seeing new videos posted up.
Only on lesbians, man. Lesbians gone wild.
No, there's one card. Are
Oh,
you
man.
gonna be down here for a second?
Yeah, I'm getting ready to get my stuff ready so I can come up there. I gotta charge everything.
You want me to run the card back down? Just fucking prop the door open for myself and
Yeah.
run it back down? Alright.
Alright. I'm gonna go park. He's gonna run the card back down to me, but I wanna park.
I'll make sure I keep an eye on Pornhub.
I ain't watching no damn porn with another guy in the fucking room. That's just disgusting. My girlfriend would do me just fine when I get home.
I'm not talking about that. I'm broke back thunderstorms.
The funny thing is I actually think she's watching these videos right now, these lives. So she's probably watching it going, are you fucking kidding me? You just fucking said that on fucking live? I'm not gonna hear the end of that one.
You literally have one person watching your live, and I think it's me.
No. It says Brooke Alexander is watching. She's watching right now.
Bullshit. Bullshit. Bullshit.
Well, I've been watching that says one person.
False advertisement.
Now it says two.
Look at the chat text in this group. You'll see what I just took a picture of. So yeah, I think she is, but I'm not worried about it.
I wonder how many people are going to talk shit at work tomorrow and be like, I don't know. I'll be like, yeah, I told you I was a fucking storm chaser. I wasn't out today, but I mean, we both helped you talk through it.
Oh yeah, you guys did great. I'm getting my computer. Tracy Ann Chinook is watching. She's watching. So yes, Brooke is watching and Tracy is watching according to mine. It don't show you guys.
202.
Tracy Sukana, not Chinook.
I don't know how to freaking pronounce it.
That's my mom, bro.
I know, I don't know how to pronounce your name that well. I know your first name, I know her first name, but That last name, I don't
I don't know
know.
how to pronounce your last name.
Sorry. I don't mean to say anything. Oh, I'm staying safe. Cody, she said hi, Cody. He's not with me. He's on a Zello chat right now.
I see.
Sorry I said your name wrong. I'm sorry. My bad. Oh, motel room. Here I
The
come.
AC wasn't on, so I just had to kick that down to like 64. So be prepared to walk into here in Sahara Desert.
So just a little update, Mom. They did run into some floodwaters on Highway 7 near Ozark, and then we end up catching some rotation above Walmart. I forgot the name of the town. Harrisonville, and then we caught a bunch of lightning.
Oh, that rotation was right above us.
Ron almost shit himself.
Oh yeah, I'm crazy. I don't know. He might. I don't know if he'll chase with me anymore. I'm pretty freaking crazy. I mean, I'm crazy. But I'm smart about it. I still can't believe I pronounced your name wrong. But you see everybody watching? Hi.
I can't see everyone's watching. It only says 2 people.
She said, I know I heard his voice.
Wow, it's 4 o'clock in the morning here, and it's 81 degrees. That's insane.
You need to take your ass to bed.
I missed all this. Never.
Oh man, this was a fun night. It feels amazing out here. We got a 4.5 mile an hour gust with 3.6 average. It's only 71 degrees. You can hear the thunder in the distance. Lightning still all around. Just looks beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful night. There's a bunch of lightning over to the west of us.
Mom, I'll let you know, John, the one that did radar tonight with me, he is also from Connecticut. My mom, she's from a little village called Higginham, Connecticut.
Higginham. Huh.
I know where that's at.
So yeah, if you look just to the
Yep,
west,
right
there's a
outside
lot of
Higginham.
hail. Bunch of hail just to the west of us. That was the storm we went out of. Now it's just a bunch of lightning, really. There's still a little bit of hail cores every now and then. When you look up on radar, you can still see them. They're not big, though.
Look up at that cloud when it's lightning to your left. Pretty low hanging. You see it?
Yeah, I see that clearly. There's some low-hanging clouds in there for sure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can definitely see it shooting across the sky. You can definitely see the cloud structure. Let me get up into a higher point. There we go.
God, I'm jealous. I am really jealous.
Hey, are we gonna get another storm, man? It's starting to really talk out here. Is there another one coming in behind us?
I mean, I could check, but I don't think there is.
you're looking off to the south, right?
That's a big negative. I am looking to... no, actually, yeah, that is the south. South, yes, sorry. I thought it was going to be something that's different. That is the south.
Yep, so it could either be south or southeast. There's pretty decently strong cells in south of Appleton City. That just kind of blew back up.
We got some storms popping up in central Kansas too right now. So who knows if they'll travel where you are.
Well, I'm gonna get me some sleep. I got a lot of driving to tomorrow, and then we're gonna chase all day tomorrow. I mean, well, probably not all day because it's not gonna blow up until the evening. But we're gonna find some spots to chase tomorrow. Where would you guys thinking a good chase spot is tomorrow?
Northern central part of Missouri.
Well, part of tomorrow I'm going to be chasing the back of my eyelids in my bed.
Lucky you. I don't get to sleep. Storm chasers never sleep.
Oh, I'll have my fun tomorrow. We're supposed to get scattered stuff. But the heat index is supposed to be like 105. And that's good. At least I got AC in the truck.
I hear that. But I'm gonna probably go to bed here in a minute. But you guys can talk to me until I go upstairs. I'm gonna get off the Facebook Live. Good night, Facebook. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys on the next chase tomorrow.